Gentlemen, today I am going to deliver my lecture on ISRO, which stands for Indian Space Research Organization, is a space agency of India which is primarily responsible for planning and execution of space-related activities in the country. It is one of the most successful space agencies in the world, which is known for its cost-effective and efficient space programs. It works under the Department of Space, which directly reports to Prime Minister of the country. This department conducts space programs through various ISRO centers. Its primary objective is to explore space and universe to advance the human knowledge and to develop and execute space-related technologies for the nation development and the societal benefits. Talking about space-related programs of ISRO, that in 1975, first time ISRO developed its own satellite named Aryabhatta. Then the development of PSLV and GSLV helps ISRO to launch a numerous satellites to the polar orbit and geosynchronous orbit. Then in 2008, ISRO successfully launched a Chandrayaan mission, which later on show the presence of the water on the lunar surface. And in 2013, ISRO successfully launched a Mangalyaan mission and placed a Mars place a satellite in the Mars orbit and become a first country to do this in its first attempt. Then talking about some recent space missions of ISRO, that Chandrayaan 3, which was successfully land on the lunar surface on 23rd August 2023. Its mission is to explore the lunar surface and subsurface. Then Aditya L1 mission, which was successfully launched on 18th September 2023, and this mission's main aim to study the corona of the sun and its impact on the solar system. Then the recent on 1st January 2024 a launch of ExpoSat satellite helps the India to study the polarization of X-rays which is produced by the celestial bodies. Talking about some future projects, that Gaganyaan, which is a human space program which helps ISRO to showcase its human space flight capabilities. Then some other missions like Nisar, then SpaceX and ExpoSat. And one of the ISRO's ambitious program is to develop its own space station by 2035. Now talking about the benefits of the ISRO for the nation, that the launch of telecommunication satellites help us to better provide the service of television broadcasting, mobile connectivity, and internet services. The launch of navigation satellites by the ISRO help us to accurately navigate the position of which helps in the various sectors like aviation sector, maritime and road transportation sector. The launch of weather forecasting satellites help us to better planning and disaster management capabilities. Then the launch of Earth observatory satellites help us to better uh, check the various Earth resources like land, water, and forest, and help us to do the better management and conservation programs also. Now talking about the various challenges that ISRO face nowadays. First one challenge is a lack of funding. Although ISRO now receiving a more than 1.5 billion US dollar annually, but still it is still insufficient to conduct its missions successfully. Then, uh, then a second challenge, that increase of space debris is also become a major challenge, as a recent time the increase in the launch of satellites and increase in the debris in the space is become a major challenge, as it is very important for that a proper legislation related to space program is important for attracting the private investors. But we have seen that in 2017 the lapse of the draft bill of space space activities bill is a great setback for us, and it create a great vacuum in this sector. And Then other challenge is the talent retention and attracting the top talent in the space exploration and space engineering is also become a major challenge for ISRO. And in conclusion, I want to say that due to the achievements of the ISRO, India is positioned at the sixth position in the list of the space superpowers. And with this dedication and the continued innovation in the space technology, will definitely makes the India at the top position and help to design the future of India and the world.